once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, steam's coming off it nicely. We're doing a chicken cream pasta. This takes no time at all. There's no flour in there, so we're not making a bechamel or a white sauce. We're just using some straight cream. Really, really easy. It's going to be done in just literally a few minutes. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. Really, really easy, this one. So, pasta of your choice. I'm using a farfalle or a bowl, but you could be using penne, spaghetti, anything you want. So, that's cooked and ready to roll. Some onions, some chicken breast. That chicken breast cut nice and thin, no skin, no bone. Here I've got some cream. We call this a cooking cream. A lot of you call this a heavy, thick cream. You can be using just single pouring type cream if you want. It works the same. Here I've got like a teaspoon of oregano or oregano, some chopped garlic. Here I've got some fresh basil, optional. I'm just going to throw that in at the end. And right there I've got like a teaspoon again of some green pesto. Now if you don't have pesto, you could just be using some Parmesan cheese maybe. This is super, super easy and very fast. Let's go and do it. Okay, talk about easy. So, a pan, a wok, whatever you want. I've got some oil in there, I'm using some olive oil. What we're going to do, very simply, drop in that chopped garlic, the onion, the chicken breast. Or you could be using like a chicken thigh or something if you wanted. But yeah, just make sure it's cut nice and thin. Our dried herb of choice, which is oregano for me, but you could be using something else. Some black pepper. I'm not going to be shy with the black pepper, I like a lot in this one. Some salt. And on this above medium heat, we're going to throw this around in the pan 4 minutes. Keep stirring. That's about 4 minutes, and for me, because of the size of the chicken, we're great. If you've cut your chicken bigger than that, maybe cook it a little bit longer. Now, I told you this was easy. What we're going to do now is I'm going to get in that little bit of pesto sauce, or like I say, if you don't have that, you could be putting in some Parmesan cheese, and then the cream of your choice. I mean, like I say, we call this cooking cream, thick cooking cream. I think in America you guys call this a heavy cream. Or you could be using this single or pouring cream if you wanted. Now, with the heat still on, we're going to run the heat through the cream. It will thin out nicely. I mean, I'm keeping this really straight. You could obviously be adding some vegetables to this if you wanted, like, you know, do a chicken and mushroom or chicken zucchini. Maybe a few little olives in there might be nice. Listen, I've got that basil here, that fresh basil, which I'm just going to break in. Makes a wonderful flavour, this. Just really roughly in mix. Or any other fresh herb would be great. Some parsley. Be excellent. And you can see we've got that beautiful thick sauce with no flour, no need for flour, just a cream, a little bit of Parmesan. If you put mozzarella into this now, it will really thicken up and become very gluey. Okay, pasta. Get your pasta in there now. Our pasta's cooked, of course, and we're just going to run some heat through this just for like 2 minutes, and keep stirring because we've got a dairy on the go here, dairy product, and we're pretty much done. Very, very easy. Let me get this on a plate. Okay, there you go. I mean, super, super easy that was, wasn't it? I love that. I mean, it's just a great, quick pasta dish. Like I say, play around with it a little bit. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.